In these problems, we are looking at some special cases with fractions that are actually going to be pretty easy as long as you can remember some simple rules. The first rule to remember, and this is sort of two ways of saying it, any number divided by 1 is itself, it stays the same. So if you take 5 and divide it by 1, it still equals 5. There's the fractional form of that. That is 5 over 1 is still 5. Remember, fraction is a way of expressing a division problem. 5 over 1 means 5 divided by 1. So that's one rule to remember. And you can kind of use this rule backwards too. You can always convert 5 into a fraction. 5 equals 5 over 1. And sometimes that'll come in handy. The other rule is this: any number divided by itself is 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Or you can write that the other way with the division symbol too, but it's the same thing. 5 divided by 5 or 5 over 5, that is always 1. So if you've got those two rules down, you'll be able to get these problems no sweat. So 9 divided by 1, well, any number divided by 1 is still itself, so this is 9. And 3 over what equals 1? So this is that second rule. Any number divided by itself is 1, so this has to be a 3 on the bottom. 3 divided by 3, 3 over 3 equals 1. Let's try just a couple more here. So something over 8 equals 1. Well, that's that second rule again. Any number divided by itself is 1, so 8 over 8 is 1. And then here we have 9 over 1. That's exactly the same problem as this one. Any number divided by 1 stays itself, so that's going to be 9. So that's a little bit of work with some interesting rules about fractions.